Good morning, students. After the Diwali vacation, again we can start our classes. And today we can start our SS class, Geography chapter 16, the latitudes and the longitudes. The latitudes and the longitudes. Already in previous class we have learned about the globe. We learned the details of the globe and all in the previous class. And today we can learn about the latitudes and the longitudes. And to know the location of the points of the earth, we need the certain points and the lines as reference. So we are to know the points and the lines and all. We are referring something, that is the axis, equator, latitudes and the longitudes. Already we have learned what is the axis. Axis is an imaginary line. It is passing from the north pole to south pole. Axis is an imaginary line. It is passing from the north pole to south pole. Look at here. Axis is an imaginary line. It is from the north pole to south pole. That is axis. And what is equator? The equator is also an imaginary line. It is passing from the middle of the earth. That is the equator. Equator is also an imaginary line. It is passing from the middle of the earth, and it is the equator. And when we are dividing the equator, it will get the two equal parts, the northern hemisphere and the southern hemisphere. This all we have learned in the previous class. The axis, equator and all we have learned, and today we can see the details about the latitudes and the longitudes.
Now let us see about the latitudes. Already I told that the axis is an imaginary line. It is passing from the north pole to south pole. The same way, the equator also, it is an imaginary line. It is the midway between the poles, and it is easy to start from the equator while measuring distances north or south. So the equator is an important one to look its places on the earth. And all parallel circle from east to west are parallels of the latitudes. The circle, what it is coming from the east to west, it is the parallels of the latitudes. These are measured in degrees, and each degree is divided into 60 minutes and each minutes into 60 seconds. And the equator, it is represent 0 degree latitudes. The equator, it is a 0 degree latitudes, and the angular distance of the north pole and the south pole from the equator is 90 degree each, and thus the latitude of the north pole is 90 degree north, and that the south pole is 90 degree south. And if parallels are drawn at an interval of 1 degree, there will be 90 parallels in each hemisphere. Thus, there will be a total of 180 parallels drawn on the earth. So, the 90 degree, it is from the north pole and the southern hemisphere. The south pole 90 degree, and total it is coming 180 parallels. It is drawn on the earth. And next we can see the important parallels of the latitudes. The important parallels of the latitudes. The equator is the longest parallel, and already we told the equator is the longest parallel, and it is a 0 degree, and it is a great circle, and the axis of the earth is an inclined at an angle of 23.5 degree. It gives us 4 important parallels apart from the equator, and we can see here the 4 important parallels of the latitudes. The first one is the Tropic of Cancer. It is parallel of the 23.5 degree north in the northern hemisphere. The Tropic of Cancer, it is in the northern hemisphere, and that is 23.5 degree north. And second one, the Tropic of Capricorn. It is parallel of 23.5 degrees south. It is in the southern hemisphere. And third one, the Arctic Circle, it is lies at 66.5 degree north latitude. It is in the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere. It is 66.5 degree north. And the fourth one, the Antarctic Circle, it is lies at 66.5 degrees south latitudes, and it is in the southern hemisphere. These are the four important parallels of the latitude. First one, the Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. And the Tropic of Cancer, it is a 23.5 degree north, and Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degrees south, and Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, and the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. These are the important parallels of the latitude. And here the latitude of a place help us to get an idea of the temperature of the place. The latitude of the place, it is giving us the idea of the temperature of the place, and the latitudes help us to find the distance of a place from the equator. From the equator, it is helping us to make it is making us to get the distance of a place. And we can see the next one, the heat zone of the world. The parallels of the latitude divide the earth into various heat zone, and we can see that. The first one, it is a torrid zone. The torrid zone, it is lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. The torrid zone, it is in the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. It is the hottest zone in the world, and where the sun shines vertically overhead. This is also known as the tropical zone. And the torrid zone, it is the between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn, and it is the hottest zone. And we can see the next one, temperate zone. It lies between the Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere, and between the Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. The sun is never overhead in this zone, and the torrid zone, it shines vertically overhead. The sun is shining vertically overhead, but in the temperate zone, the sun is not coming vertically in the sun is never overhead in this zone, and hence it is neither very hot in summer nor very cold in winter. It is therefore called the temperate zone and or the moderate zone. And the last one, we can see the frigid zone or the cold zone. It lies between the Arctic Circle and North Pole in the northern hemisphere, and the Antarctic Circle in the South Pole in the southern hemisphere. It is in the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere. And it is the coldest part of the earth, which always receives slanting sun rays, and where the summers are short and cold, and while the winters are extremely cold. And the frigid zone, there always it is a cold. And these are the things we learned, and it is the latitudes. Once again, the latitude, it is a angular distance north or the south of the equator. The angular distance, the north and the south of the equator. And the important parallels of the latitudes, it is a Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle and Antarctic Circle. And the heat zone, it is a torrid zone, temperate zone and the frigid zone. And in next class we will study about the longitudes. Thank you.